Hello to our new students who will be joining us in September. It's Mr. McSweeney here, the head teacher. I am sorry, but Mr. Johnson can't be with us this week. He is at home isolating. So he's asked me to step in and make this week's video to introduce you to different parts of the school. I know that I'm not quite as good as Mr. Johnson at this sort of thing, but I will give it a really good try nonetheless. I'm going to introduce you to a couple of areas. One is the maths and computing block, where you will be doing those subjects. And another part, Mr. Johnson's let me have a part that I know everybody's really excited about, the canteen. So you can have a quick look at where you'll be buying food in September. Okay, let's go see the school. So here we are on the most gloriously sunny day that we've had for ages, and this is the Matthias Block. In the Matthias Block, named after a previous head teacher, Mr. Matthias, we have two subjects, maths and computer science. It's also the newest part of the school, not really more than a couple of years old. Let's see what's going on inside. And this writing here on the board tells you that we are in a maths classroom. I'm not sure which year group have left that work up there, but I suspect it will be for one of the older year groups. This is the kind of room where you will study your maths with your teacher. And one of the lovely things they like doing in maths is having boards all up around the walls so that you can have a go at doing maths. And if you get it wrong, you can just rub it out and have another go. And that's how we're going to learn. This is an example of one of the computer rooms that we have here in the Maths and Computer Science building, which is where you will come and you will do both maths and computer science in year 7. And there's a look at the corridor. So from the window of the maths block, you can see out here, this is a grassy area where you can eat your food at break. At the moment, it is very much being occupied by seagulls. And then beyond that, you can see the tennis courts, the science block on your left, the 3G pitch is behind the science block, and then right at the far end, that's the school field. And I think that looks like a PE lesson. In fact, that's a rounders match. So this is the school canteen. This is where you'll be able to come to purchase food and drink when you're here in year 7. Here you can see the range of drinks available. Over here we've got things like cookies and fruit there. Then you've got your hot food, which you can pick up and choose. It's Friday, so there's fish and chips. And over here is the chilled selection. I hope you find that a useful introduction to a couple of parts of the school that you will be using in September. We know that you will be with us in September. We will give you an induction day. The day before that induction day, we will be inviting you to come to the school for a COVID test, and we'll be sending your parents more information about that. Nothing to worry about, and we'll take really good care of you, and it just means we can have a nice, safe start in September. Until then, have a lovely summer. I'm really looking forward to having you join the school in September. Take care.